me, Redbird. And today, well, it's a special day, of course. I'm trying to remember. Oh yeah, it's Angry Birthday. Anyways, it's the pig's turn to talk. Here. Good morning. Good morning, people. I just want to tell you that I don't know why I'm here, but anyways, I'm gonna steal Angry Bird's eggs right now. This is Angry Birds. Angry Birds. How to steal eggs, maybe. Anyways, we are gonna start right now. Lesson 1. Always stay in character. Lesson 2. You need arms. Which I don't have any arms, but I can climb. It's so bright. Anyways, it's always shiny. Now, be quiet. We are gonna see the Angry Birds going on next. Take a look. No, I'm gonna take a poo. Or egg drop. Here is the golden egg. It's so epic. It's even shining. Oh, hallelujah. Oh, hallelujah. 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 Lesson 3. Push it. Push it. And I think it broke. But it don't matter. Okay. Ah! Glob. Okay. Camera guy, follow me. Okay. Ah! Okay. Here is the golden egg. Now it's the Redbird's turn. Where'd my egg go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Miss Redbird is not gonna be happy. Oh my god. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? You know what? I need to get the phone. I just need to find it. Maybe it's somewhere. Maybe. Found it. I need to call Blueberry. Okay. Let me think of a number. I don't know which number to choose, but I guess I'll call Whitebird. Yo, Whitebird. Whitebird? Hello, Whitebird. Whitebird. Hello? Whitebird. What is it, Redbird? Oh, it's that. I lost the eggs. Okay, I confess. Hold on, let me come. I'll come to you. In 5 seconds. Okay, I'll hang it up. Where is he? He didn't even knock. Why you no knock, fool? Why you know not Kung Fu? Why Kung Fu? Cause I don't like doing that. Okay. Where's he at? Over there. Ah! You okay down there? No! Ah! Let's go find the end. Dun 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 dun. We're on a journey, we're on a journey. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. Oh, it's precious. Hey, come back here. Oh my god, this is so precious. I won! How do I cook this? Oh, lesson 5. Always cook the egg right away. Oh, no, you don't! How did you guys find me? I told stupid pig to guard. Hey, where is he anyways? Oh, you guys killed him? No, he ignored us. Yeah, piggy, you're dead. Ah! Lesson 6. Always jump if you have no legs. Ah! Help! 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 Lesson 7. You will die. No, please. That is the show. And that's a lesson how to fail Angry Birds. Oh.